So I'm pretty much done, guys, with the pan. Technically, you gotta remove these bolts right here. Okay. You gotta remove these bolts right there, and then you gotta move it right here, and then you gotta move that. Pull down the exhaust, and then move this. Remove. Oh, my bad. Shoot, my bad, guys. Fuck. My bad. Remove this. Remove it from right there. Then remove it from right there, and then just all 13mm bolts. All of these. You might need a long one for these. And that's it, pretty much. Take that bolt too, right there. Yes, sir. That's it, man. We're done. All right, guys. So we're starting now. Sorry about that. Joe, just like a quick intro, just showing you guys what you guys need to remove the oil pan. It's pretty simple on these cars. They're not really that hard. I see I'm working on the bottom of the exhaust. Hey, please excuse my meta glasses. Yeah, and then I go to the other side, as you see, loosen that up, then bolts, and then yeah, then loosen that up, and then it will just pop out. And just you don't have to like completely take it out, just give it like laying down, and I'll give you access to the pan. As you see, I'm already working on the pan, removing it. Love my Cobalt, man. Them Cobalt guns, man. They're underrated, man. They're underrated. And yeah, I just go around. Like I said, excuse my freaking goddamn meta glasses. But technically, just go all around the pan. They're technically like 12mm bolts, and then like I remember it's a 17. Those big ones that are pretty much attached to the transmission as well. So yeah, pretty simple, guys. It's not that difficult. The most for me, the most time consuming is cleaning the pan, especially on this one, because the previous guy didn't put a gasket on. He just put a bunch of silicone, just thick silicone. So I had to like do a lot of cleaning. I had to like scrape a lot. That's the only thing. Making sure that the pan is completely clean. But yeah, I'm started taking out the bolts. Those are the big bolts I was talking about. They were about to, just in the view, we're about to pull it out. Just a breaker bar. See how I have the muffler hang? So you don't have to take the whole thing off. I just have to, like, some people take it off. I just leave it there hanging. I don't have to really take it off. So you don't have to deal with that. It'll be easier when it's back to installing the. Yeah, but there we go. Here we go now. We'll start removing. Oh, actually, it did have a goddamn gasket, my bad. But they had a bunch of silicone. So I'm gonna start removing, all the silicone, making it nice and clean. Use a blade. I'm using my Gerber knife. Well, it has a lot of stuff for that Gerber. It's not actually a Gerber knife. It has all kinds of stuff. But anyway, also I always have a PV blaster too to clean, to pretty much loosen them rusty bolts on the exhaust. Yeah, I guess you use some brake cleaner, parts cleaner, whatever you gotta do. But yeah, and then we just open that. Put the new gasket. Technically, they're not making these gaskets no more. You have to go online. Luckily, one AutoZone, it was like 5 miles where I'm at. Still had it, so I just want to go pick it up. Technically, these AutoZone O'Reilly don't have these gaskets no more for these. For these Tributes, also this oil pan change also is for your Escape as well, from 2000 2005, I believe, same as the Tribute. No, from 2000 2006. Tribute, Mazda Tribute, and Ford Escape, I believe. Cause I done one of these on the Ford Escape as well. Similar process as well. But yeah, just putting a bit of little silicone in there, not a lot, just a little bit. So it can just get stuck in there a bit. Just when I put it in, it'll be easier installation. It won't fall off. But yeah, man, I mean, it's pretty simple. Like it says in my thumbnail, easy. It's real easy. You don't have to be a tech to do it. It's nothing that difficult. You just have to have the right tools. You know, once you have the right tools, it makes the job easier. It always does, dude. Always does. You don't have the right tool, that job could take you 5 hours. You know, you have the right tool, it won't take you 2 hours. So now we're back, putting it back in. Go. Putting it back in.
Well, yeah,
play with the man. Play with it.
Yeah, them hoes are reliable too, bro.
Get you some arm workout, some arm action. You know, burning them arms, them shoulders, man, holding that pan. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. That's well, like and subscribe, man. I'm there talking with the customer. You know, hot summer in Texas, man. Yeah, I just put the pants on, man. Just put the bolts on around. Put them big bolts. I recommend you put the one big bolt and then put one small one on the other side. But yeah, man. Pretty much, dude. I mean, just go all around. It's really that difficult to do. Just do. Man. Just keep on going. Should have made that part shorter. But yeah, guys, that's it, man. I mean, right now, I'm just going to recap again on what you need, and it's already done, so it's pretty easy, man. You guys got this. Go do it, man. Don't be scared, man. It's not hard, man. Worst case scenario, you just have to take the pan down again and do it again. Worst case scenario. Spend you another. Well, it's gonna be quicker now, cause now you know. I have to talk to the customer, man.
Alright, bro. Yeah, I think y'all got like just 20 more minutes, and y'all let you know once I'm done this shit.